Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and then suddenly stopped because you weren't sure if what you were about to say was correct?
Oh, every single day. Just last week I told my boss I was very pregnant instead of very productive. The look on his face.
And that's exactly why we're here today. Welcome to Speak Better English. Hello, and welcome back to Speak Better English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam, the guy who makes all the mistakes so you don't have to.
That's right. And today, we're talking about something every English learner struggles with. Common mistakes that stop you from speaking confidently.
Honestly, sometimes I know the rules, but when I start speaking, my brain just forgets everything.
That's so normal. But today, we're going to fix that. We're going to look at 10 common mistakes, explain why they happen, and give you tools to remember the correct way.
And the best part? We'll do it like two friends chatting, not a boring grammar lesson.
Exactly. So before we start, here's a question for our listeners. What's the most embarrassing English mistake you've ever made? Write it in the comments. We read every single one.
Okay, Sarah, I'm ready. Hit me with these mistakes.
All right, Adam. But fair warning, some of these might surprise you. Okay, let's start with a simple question. Adam, how old are you?
Personal questions already? I'm 32 years old. Why?
Perfect. You said I'm 32 years old. But here's the thing. How do your friends from Spain or France say it?
They say I have 32 years. Actually, I used to say that too.
You did? That's mistake number 1.
But wait, in my language, age is something you have.
I know, but in English, age is something you are. We use the verb to be, not to have.
So it's always, I am, not I have?
Always. I am 20. She is 25. They are 30.
Wrong. I have 32 years old.
Correct. I am 32 years old.
Got it. I'm never making that mistake again.
Quick challenge for everyone listening. Which is correct? A, I have 20 years old, or B, I am 20 years old. If you said B, you're right. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments.
All right. What's next?
Okay, mistake number 2. What do you say when someone asks you a yes, no question and you want to agree?
I say, I think yes.
Oh no, Adam, that's mistake number 2.
But why? Yes means yes.
But in English, after I think, we use so to talk about a previous idea.
Can you give me an example?
Imagine your friend asks, "Is it going to rain today?"
Okay, and I think it is going to rain.
Perfect. You say, "I think so." You don't say, "I think yes."
What about if I don't agree?
Then you say, "I don't think so."
So, I think so means yes, and I don't think so means no?
Exactly. Let's practice. Adam, do you think this movie is good?
I think so. The reviews were great.
Perfect. And now, a negative one.
Sarah, do you think we'll be late?
I don't think so. We have plenty of time.
That's so simple. Why was I saying I think yes before?
Because languages are tricky. But now you know. And that's what matters.
Okay, number 3. Hit me.
Imagine you're in a shop and you see something strange. What do you ask?
How is it called?
Oh no, that's mistake number 3.
But how and what are both question words.
They are, but how is for methods or ways. What is for names or things?
So, what is this fruit called? Is correct?
Yes, and how do you say this in English? Is also correct because you're asking about the method.
What for names? How for methods?
Exactly. That's a brilliant way to remember it.
Sarah, what is that animal called?
I think it's called a raccoon.
And if I want to know the method?
How do you say raccoon in Spanish?
Perfect! I understand now.
See? You're getting it. Okay, number 4. This one is very common.
Explain me this grammar rule.
You just did it again. That's mistake number 4.
Of course! I've heard that 1,000 times!
In English, some verbs need a preposition before the person. Explain is one of them. You explain something to someone.
So it's always explain to me?
Yes. And explain to him, explain to her, explain to us.
Wrong. Explain me the lesson.
Correct. Explain the lesson to me.
Sarah, can you explain this grammar rule to me?
Perfect. That's exactly right.
Okay, I've got this one now.
Number 5. This one is very personal.
How do you say this? I am married with my wife.
That sounds wrong. Married to? Bingo. That's mistake number 5.
But in my language, we say married with.
I know, and that's why learners make this mistake. But in English, we always use to after married.
I am married to Sarah?
Yes. She is married to John. They are married to each other.
What about get married? Is it the same?
Yes. I got married to my wife in 2015.
My brother is getting married to his girlfriend next month.
Excellent. That's perfect.
Married to. Married to. I'm going to say that 50 times tonight.
That's dedication. All right, number 6 is coming up, and I think you might have made this one before.
Listen to this. I don't know where is he.
That's wrong. Shouldn't it be I don't know where he is?
But it's a question. Shouldn't it be where is he?
When you're asking a direct question, you say, where is he? But when you're talking about the question in a sentence, the word order changes.
I'm confused.
Let me explain. In a direct question, the verb comes before the subject.
Direct. Where is he?
But in a statement about the question, the subject comes before the verb.
I don't know where he is.
Perfect. Let's practice. Direct question. What time is it?
Statement. I don't know what time it is.
Direct question. Where does she live?
Statement. I don't know where she lives.
You're getting it.
So direct questions have the verb first. Statements have normal word order.
Exactly. And here's another common one. Do you know where the station is? Not, do you know where is the station?
I used to say that all the time. Do you know where is the station?
Don't worry, now you know.
Number 7. I'm on a roll.
Okay, how do you say this? I am agree with you.
Wrong. It's I agree with you.
Wow. You knew that one.
Yeah, I learned it recently. Agree is a verb, right?
Exactly. It's a verb, not an adjective. So you don't use to be with it.
So it's always I agree, you agree, she agrees?
Yes, and you can say I totally agree or I completely agree for emphasis.
I totally agree with you, Sarah.
And I completely agree with you, Adam. That was perfect. Okay, number 8. This one might surprise you.
I did a mistake.
Wrong. It's I made a mistake.
But why? What's the difference between make and do?
We use make for creating something. Do is for actions or tasks.
So mistake is something you make?
Yes. You make a mistake, you make a decision, you make a plan.
And you do?
You do homework, you do exercise, you do the dishes.
Make, creating. Do, action.
That's a simple way to remember it. Quick challenge. Which is correct? A, I did a mistake. Or B, I made a mistake. If you said B, you're right. Pause the video and comment your answer.
I've been saying did a mistake for years. I'm embarrassed.
Don't be. Now you'll never make that mistake again.
I see what you did there. Make a mistake.
Exactly. See? You're already thinking in English.
Listen, I need some informations.
Wrong. It's information without the as.
I learned that recently. It's uncountable, right?
Information is uncountable in English. We never add an ens.
So it's always information, never informations?
Always. And the same goes for advice, furniture, luggage, news, and money.
The news is good. Not, the news are good.
That's exactly right.
We say a lot of information or a piece of information.
Perfect. Can you give me some information about the course?
I need a piece of information about the train schedule.
All correct. No information's anywhere.
I'm finally understanding English.
That's the goal. Understanding, not just memorizing.
How do you say this? People is very friendly in this city.
Wrong. It's people are very friendly.
But why? People look singular.
In English, people means multiple persons. So it always takes a plural verb.
So it's always people are?
Always. People are not people is.
What about person? That's singular, right?
Yes, one person is, but many people are.
The people in this neighborhood are very friendly.
Correct. Wrong. The people in this neighborhood is very friendly.
People are always late to the meeting.
Perfect. And people are talking about the new movie.
So people is always plural. Got it.
Some learners confuse people and persons. In everyday English, we almost always say people.
So I should use people for more than one person?
Yes. Unless you're writing a legal document, people is the way to go.
I used to say people is all the time. I thought it was singular.
It's a very understandable mistake, but now you know the truth.
I have a question about something else.
Sure. What is it?
I've always been confused about I'm boring versus I'm bored. Can you explain that?
If you say, I'm boring, you're saying you're a boring person. You make other people feel bored.
And I'm bored means I feel bored?
Exactly. Ed. Adjectives describe feelings. Ing. Adjectives describe the thing or person that causes the feeling.
The movie is boring means the movie causes boredom.
Yes, and I'm bored means I feel the boredom.
I always said I'm interesting when I meant I'm interested. People must have thought I was so full of myself.
That's hilarious. But yes, it's a common confusion.
What about I used to and I'm used to? I always mix them up.
Let me explain. I used to do something means I did it regularly in the past, but I don't anymore.
I used to smoke. It means I smoked in the past, but now I don't.
Exactly. And I'm used to something means I'm familiar with it. It's not new or strange anymore.
But they sound so similar.
Notice the structure. I used to plus base verb. I'm used to plus noun or ing form.
I used to live in London.
And I'm used to living in London.
So used to is about past habits, and be used to is about being accustomed to something.
Exactly. Let's do more examples.
I used to drink coffee every morning.
But now I'm used to drinking tea.
I used to work in an office.
Now I'm used to working from home.
This is brilliant! I finally understand the difference.
And that's exactly why we're here. Understanding these small differences makes such a big difference. Okay, Adam, before we finish, I want to ask our listeners something.
Oh, good idea. What is it?
So, lovely listeners, what's the biggest English mistake you've ever made? We want to hear your stories.
Yeah, don't be shy. We've all been there. Share your funniest or most embarrassing mistake in the comments.
And if you're watching on YouTube, write your answer below. We read every single comment.
And we might even feature your mistake in a future episode.
That's right. So go ahead, share your stories. Let's all learn together.
And while you're at it, subscribe to Speak Better English and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.
Yes, we have so many more episodes coming. We'll be covering phrasal verbs, idioms, pronunciation, and so much more.
And of course, we'll keep making mistakes so you don't have to.
So, let's do a quick recap.
We learned that
First, you say, I am 20 years old, not I have.
Second, I think so, not I think yes.
Third, what is it called? Not how.
Fourth, explain to me, not explain me.
Fifth, married to, not married with.
Sixth, I don't know where he is, not I don't know where is he.
Seventh, I agree, not I am agree.
Eighth, I made a mistake, not I did a mistake.
Ninth, information is uncountable, no as.
And 10th, people are, not people is.
When I look at this list, I don't see 10 mistakes.
What do you see?
I see 10 opportunities. 10 tiny changes that will make your English sound so much more natural. 10 steps closer to speaking with confidence.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
Every single person who speaks English fluently today made these mistakes. Every single one.
Even native speakers?
Especially native speakers. We make mistakes all the time. So please, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Don't let the fear of being wrong stop you from speaking.
Because mistakes are how we learn.
Yes, every mistake is proof that you're trying, and every time you try, you get a little better.
And one day, you'll look back and realize you've improved so much.
That's right. So keep speaking, keep making mistakes, keep learning, because you are getting better. Thank you so much for being here today. You could have watched anything, but you chose to spend time with us, learning English. That takes courage. That takes dedication.
And we're so proud of you for being here.
So here's my challenge to you. Today, try to speak English. Even if you're not perfect, even if you make mistakes, just try.
And remember, we're here with you every step of the way.
This is Speak Better English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam.
See you in the next episode.
See you in the next episode.